Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some oven jerk baked chicken, but I'm gonna jerk a whole chicken. So this is what it look like. So these are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, you have garlic powder, you have chicken seasoning, you have everyday seasoning, you have onion powder, you have paprika, you have black pepper, you have thyme, and you also have jerk seasoning. And this is 1 spoonful of everything. So this is what I'm gonna use to stuff my chicken: onions, thyme, garlic, spring onions, and ginger. And this is my jerk seasoning. This is the bottle one. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some vegetable oil on my chicken so it's nice and moist. That's at least 3 spoonfuls. Just take my hand and just rub it all in. And I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Just put it all over your chicken. So just make sure you put your season inside of the chicken also. That's very important. Just take your hand and just rub it all in. And notice guys, I haven't used salt, because the reason why I don't use salt, the seasoning already full of so much salt, so I try to cut down on the salt. So now I'm gonna put my bottle jerk seasoning. I'm gonna use at least 1 spoonful because I don't need a lot. Just dab it all over. I'm gonna also put 1 spoonful of soy sauce. And now I'm gonna stuff it now. Garlic, thyme, ginger, So my chicken is finished seasoning, and this is what it look like. Guys, for a better result, you can always marinate your chicken, but I'm not gonna do that today because I'm in such a rush. So I'm just gonna put it in my oven. So I will show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So here I have my tray, and to my tray I had a grill. This is totally optional, but I like doing it this way because I want the jerk chicken to have a nice, you know, a nice jerk color. So that's why I add this grill, but it is totally optional. So now I'm gonna place it on the grill, and I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 1 hour and 150 degrees. Just gonna add some fresh thyme on there on my chicken. Just put some more of my vegetable oil. So now it's gonna go right in my oven. So stay tuned. So my oven baked jerk chicken been cooking for just over an hour. So what I've been doing, every 20 minutes I take out my chicken and I use the oil that left from the chicken that leave in the tray, and I just pour it all over my chicken because you want it to be nice and moist. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 40 minutes because it's still not finished. It's looking so nice, guys. I'm telling you. Looks amazing. Give you a close-up look. Isn't that look good? Looks amazing. So now I'm gonna put it back in my oven. So stay tuned. And 150 degrees. Hi guys, so while my jerk chicken is baking, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a sauce with it. So first I'm gonna add some pineapple juice. That's just off of the box. And some sugar, some white sugar. I add a 1/4 cup of white sugar, and I'm also gonna add some ketchup and some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, jerk seasoning, black pepper, and paprika. That's around 1 teaspoonful of everything. Just give it a stir. I'm gonna also add some ginger powder. That's just a teaspoonful. And I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoonful of the jerk seasoning from the bottle, because I don't need a lot because I don't want it to be too hot. I'm just gonna give it a taste. That tastes amazing. I'm just gonna leave it down for it to be simmer and become real thick for at least 20 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes, and a medium heat. So my sauce for my jerk chicken is all finished, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and thick, and this is exactly how you want it. So this is what my jerk chicken look, just over 40 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour that oil that leave from the tray all over my chicken once again. And I'm gonna also turn my chicken over, guys. This is totally optional, but I need the next part to be brown also. So I'm just gonna take your time and just turn it. As you can see, it is white. Just pour some of that gravy that leave back, and I'm just gonna put it back in my oven for at least 35 minutes and 150 degree. So my oven baked jerk chicken is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and brown, and this is exactly how I want it to be. I'm telling you guys, it smells amazing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Nice and juicy. Look at that, guys. That is so juicy. Look at that. It look amazing. Perfectly cooked. Just giving you a close-up look. So guys, what I'm doing, I'm pouring my sauce all over that jerk chicken. I'm telling you guys, it looking so good. It looking so mouth-watering and so delicious. You can serve it with mashed potato, with rice and peas, with fries, with roast potato, whatever you preferred. So I'm serving my jerk chicken with curry rice and with mixed vegetable. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.